a continuum between the two. In another memorable moment, Rossellini shares her insecurities about being compared to her mother, the late actress Ingrid Bergman, and takes comfort that she is merely a part of nature's endless variety, her features and talents determined in a large part by genetic imperative for the greater good of the species. Arguably, these philosophical musings might be out of place in a science classroom, but they are welcome as connective tissue in a show that might otherwise play out as a series of quirky films. Not that there would be anything wrong with that, necessarily. The films themselves are comical and compelling, as strange in their own ways as the sexual practices they depict. Rossellini takes on a variety of degrading roles, cheerfully lampooning her own image in the name of entertainment and education. The shorts play out like cartoons for adults who share Rossellini's wry sensitivity and evident fascination for the material. It is during the most salacious moments in these films, such as depictions of dolphins having fin sex, or Rossellini as a mouth-brooding female fish receiving a face full of sperm, that green porno lives up to its name. Indeed, Rossellini invites the audience to reconsider their notions of what is pornographic and obscene in human sexuality. Compared to many of the behaviors found in the animal kingdom, the sexual peccadillos and deviancies of Homo sapiens seem relatively tame. The show, along with a book of the same name and a series of short films that Rossellini has been producing for the Sundance Channel since 2008, has drawn praise from art critics and science educators alike for its whimsical and story-driven approach to the material. This storytelling element is a large part of the work's appeal, according to James Cobell, Director of Guest Experience Training and Interpretation at the Monterey Bay Aquarium in California. It's a good kind of biological storytelling. As humans, so much of what we've learned throughout our entire history, well, before we had the written word, was through oral history,